Hello, dear families. Here's the homework from for the week of November 15th to November 21st. My apologies for last week. I just was so sick, I just didn't get it together enough to make that video. The dictate went well today, though. So this week we're practicing two new sounds. We have the CH sound, which in French sounds like shh. It's the same as like the sh, like she in English. Shh. And the V sound, which is V. So practice the sound sh and V, and then the syllables are sha, sh, she, she. That's the one with the wide open mouth. The students should remember that one. And this one also has the wide open mouth, but it's really long. She, she, sho, shu, she. Then for the V sound, we have va, ve, 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 vi, vi, vo, vu. And then you can have them practice linking them, sha, sh, she, etc. We did not bring home a book last week because it was a short week. We're still working on that book for this week. So look forward to that on Friday. Let's see here, there's an extra page this week. So I've added kind of a practice. This can be a game at home where you can point and have your students say the sound. This one's ve, sha, she, vo, shu, ve. And they should practice writing and reading all of these syllables. These are the same as from the first page, they're just mixed up. I've noticed that we're very good at learning our syllables in order, but that when it gets a little bit mixed up, it gets a little bit harder. So we're going to practice mixing them up. In math, we are still learning to skip count. And our number recognition is getting a little bit better, but I'd still like to focus on numbers 1 to 20. I can read them out again as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then the 100 chart I sent home last week can be helpful for number recognition. You can also play a pointing game with that, where you can point at the number and have your child say what the number is. And then new this week, we're going to practice making groups of objects from 1 to 10 and practice adding or taking away 1 or 2 objects. So an example would be 1 more than 5 is 6. So if you have your child put out 5 noodles, they can add 1 more and find that it's 6. And we're practicing that language in French. 1 de plus que 5, c'est 6, which is the exact translation of 1 more than 5 is 6. Then you have the less than. 2 less than 9 is 7. 2 moins que 9, c'est 7. So we're really focusing on that plus que and moins que this week. Can continue practice counting and skip counting. That would be great. Important dates. Our first field trip to the pond will be on the 17th. We'll be leaving basically after attendance. And then the next dictate for the sh and v sounds will be on November 21st. Please note if your child is friend of the day. Thank you so much. Have a great week.